Now, having known what a project scope statement is, let us understand what is its relevance. Okay, what is the importance of a project scope statement? Okay, the project scope statement is an important project document because it defines the project parameters like constraints, assumptions, boundaries, and further it establishes the measurement baseline. Okay, the baseline for measuring success. Okay, so it establishes the project parameters like constraints, assumptions, and boundaries. Along with that, it establishes the baseline for measuring the success. It is the basis for all future project decision making. For what? That is, when any change is being requested, this is being referred, or the project scope statement is being referred to find or to conclude whether this has to be allowed or not. Okay, because the scope is something which we are supposed to build or construct or even deliver. Okay, it is the document that the final deliverable, that is the project outcome, is compared to for acceptance, because that defines what is being expected out of the project. Okay, and it assists with creating a common understanding of the project expectations. I told you there are varying needs from varying stakeholders. So the project scope statement establishes a common understanding of the project expectations among the project stakeholders. Then, for a project to be successful, yes, all projects needs to be successful. Okay, it must meet or exceed the expectations that are outlined in the scope statement. So it is to the project scope statement that the project team is working towards. Okay, the project statement, again, the project scope statement is used as the starting point when planning all the work. Okay, that needs to be completed, how the schedule can be decided. Okay, what all resources are to be there. Okay, what is the budget allowed, and because the constraints are being clarified or specified there. Okay, so that is the relevance of project scope statement.